Hi viewers, in this video I will tell you about how to create your own website. First, we all go to search engine like Google, type how to create your own website, press enter. After press enter, you face like this interface. How to create a website. Build your website for free. Press enter. After press enter, you face like this interface. Products, blogs, websites, domains, e-commerce, self-hosted solution, multiple site hosting, create a website in minute. How to create your own website gives you everything you need to start your website today. Free hosting, your own domain, a world-class support team, and so much more. Scroll down. Create anything for anyone. Allow you to build a website that meets your unique needs. Start a blog, business site, portfolio, online store, or anything else you can imagine you need. With built in optimization and responsive mobile ready themes, there's no limit to who you can reach. With your new website, how to create your own website. Create a simple website for your family or sell products around the world. It's up to you. Plans that fit your needs. How to create your own website. No matters the size of your budget. How to create your own website has a plan that's right for you. Some plans also include advanced design, customizations, monetization tools, and the ability to upload custom plugins or theme. If you need more features, you can choose from one of three affordable plans. With each plan, you will get a custom domain name, include advanced design customizations. How to create your own website. Resource supports news, expert tips, business name generator, logo maker, daily webinars, paid course, plan and pressings. To press enters, you fake like this interface, but I will not press enters. Just you can stand easily. How to make your own website. Features. Viewers, today lesson enough. I will see you in the next episode.